the sum of the interior angles in any quadrilateral, so a shape with four sides, is 360 degrees. So here we have a shape with four sides. How convenient. So we know that the angles, the sum of the interior angles, right, will add up to 360 degrees. For example, your favorite, a square, thinking inside the box, each angle is 90 degrees. So if we add up all those for 90 degrees, we get the sum of the interior angles to equal 360 degrees. However, in this shape, PQRS, it's an irregular shape, right? It's not a square. However, the sum of these angles still adds up to 360 degrees. So we can use that fact to construct an equation and then solve for x. So putting this into an equation, we have 9x minus 40 is one interior angle. We will add the next interior angle and the next one and the last one. And we know that the sum, right, so adding up all these angles, will give us 360. Right, that's a property of a quadrilateral. Okay, so now we have a few x terms floating around, so let's expand and group like terms. So we'll expand first. So 9x minus 40 stays the same. Expanding this out gives 10x, 10 times x, and then 10 times minus 3, minus 30, 6 times x, and 6 times 5 is 30. The 11x and 40 stay the same. All equals 360. Now we can group like terms. So we have 9x plus 10x, which is 19x, plus 6x, that's 25x, plus 11x, that's 36x. For the constants, we have, there's a plus 40, minus 40, so they cancel. There's a plus 30, minus 30, so they cancel. And we're left with 0 on that side. But then on the right, we still have 360. And finally, 36 times what is equal to 360? Or in other words, we'll divide both sides by 36 to give us x equals 360 divided by 36, which is equal to 10. So if we replaced or substituted in 10 for all of these x's, we could find out each of the angles. And then if we added up all those angles, they would equal 360 degrees because we specified that in our equation.